Hi, today we're going to be taking an unboxing review look at Howard the Duck Special Edition. Yes, I know this video kind of has a lot of controversy around it because it's kind of like not quite the Disney Donald Duck slash DuckTales type of thing movie. I guess that was kind of the way how they wanted to kind of go a little bit, but it is definitely in another direction that they took the movie in. Dirty jokes, dirty scenes, raunchy is not a kid-friendly movie. Now, it may sound kid-friendly, and even looking at the artwork in the box, you see a duck trying to burst out a little eggshell, and it's like, Howard the Duck, the movie. You're like, oh wow, that looks kind of cool, but by no way is this kids-friendly. Just like Power Rangers the movie, not the original Power Rangers the movie, and not Power Rangers Turbo A movie, but Power Rangers the movie, the garbage one, that one, not a kid-friendly Power Rangers movie. For lots of reasons. And that's kind of what this one is. This one reminds you of more of an old school version to that new Power Rangers movie. The new Power Rangers movie was horrible in every sense of the way. How they morphed, which they didn't really morph. They didn't use their power coins. They didn't use their belts. Only one time did they use their Ranger armed sword type of weapon. The Zords, you couldn't tell them apart from the Bad Danes. The horrible CGI animation on the Zord parts. I mean, they should have just went with the person inside of a costume, like how we were used to as Power Rangers when they're fighting the monsters and the Zords. That would have been awesome, acceptable. At least you would know what's going on. There be the monster, there be the Zord. And they didn't show Weaver Passer with, the Green Dragon energy coin and dagger flute, which would have been awesome to do that. Goldar didn't look anything like the Goldar that we used to know. Rangers died. There was very, very adult situations in there. One Ranger gets arrested. Rangers in, bedroom type of adult situations. Yeah. Not a kid-friendly Power Ranger movie at all. So hopefully, if they do come with Power Rangers the movie Part 2 with Lord Dracon, maybe they'll get it a little bit more kid-friendly and a little bit better. But no. And that's kind of what this movie's kind of about. So it's kind of like been, I guess, like the 80s and stuff. But there's one wall, you have the Rolling Stones magazine that he's looking at and stuff. So Boeing features a look back at Howard the Duck, releasing the Duck, archive features, test trailers, all that stuff. So one of the most talked about movies of all time, Howard the Duck lands on DVD for the first time ever in his all-new special edition. For exclusive producer George Lucas, yes, that's right, may the force be with you. That's why Star Wars, George Lucas made Howard the Duck. So the Star Wars dude, the dude that's all about the force, he made Howard the Duck. Right there it says it. George Lucas. Now he's known as Lucasfilms. The dude that partnered with Star Wars from the Edge of the Galaxy new thing that's coming out. Yep, Star Wars man. And pages of Marvel's comic. So that's why Marvel. I don't know if they had Stan Lee from Marvel do this as a collaboration with Stan Lee and George Lucas, but it does say George Lucas and Marvel. So George Lucas and Marvel. Those two big names made Howard the Duck. Comes the unbelievable funny comedy about a fast-talking, cigar-chomping, beer-loving duck from a parallel universe who crashes to Earth, featuring brand new bonus features, a digital remastered picture, and new 1.5 surround sound. Howard the Duck Special Edition is a hidden treasure the whole family can enjoy. No, I would not say the whole family can enjoy. Made by Universal Films and Marvel. Right there is PG. So, yeah. Where did I put this up at? Walmart for like $3 or $3.78. Very, very cheap price for a DVD. But yeah, let's open it up, take a look at it, and see what Howard the Duck looks like. And that's kind of it. Just a basic Howard the Duck DVD. No Blu-ray, no special edition, no digital code. It's just Howard the Duck. Oh, the price was $3.74. Let's see if we get. Right there, $3.74 for Howard the Duck DVD. I bet this would probably go big time on eBay, like definitely over like $1,200 or more. But I'm not gonna sell this. This is a DVD that I don't think any upload network subscription channels has it. I don't believe Amazon Prime has it. Hulu, Tuber, or I think that one's called Tuber. Let's see, I have their app here. TUBI, Tube TV. Yeah, I don't think they have it either. So I know YouTube doesn't have it. They talk about Howard the Duck, and there's a great YouTube channel that definitely went a lot more in depth about this called Minty's. So Minty's channel has it. I'll try to look up his channel and put a link down below in the description because he has a lot more to say about this DVD. But I'm just saying, if you want to get this DVD and you don't want to pay like the outrageous price that eBay is going to be charging you, like over $1,000+ plus another $1,000 for shipping, just go to Walmart, check your Walmart DVD bargain bin, and it might be something around the price of $3.74. But yeah, that has just been the unboxing of Howard the Duck DVD. So don't forget to hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and leave a comment down below. Alright, thanks, bye.